Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Lenovo laptop to factory settings. First, click on the Start button and open Settings. In the Settings window, select System from the left-hand menu. Scroll down and click on Recovery. Under the Reset this PC section, click the Reset PC button. You'll now see two options. If you want to keep your personal files while removing apps and settings, select Keep My Files. If you want to completely erase everything and restore the laptop to factory settings, select Remove Everything. Next, choose how you want to reinstall Windows. I recommend selecting Cloud Download, which downloads a fresh copy of Windows from Microsoft. Make sure your laptop is connected to the internet. If you don't have an internet connection, you can choose Local Reinstall instead. Windows will now show you a summary of the reset process. Review the details and click Next. Finally, click Reset to begin. Your Lenovo laptop will restart and start the reset process. This may take some time, so keep your laptop plugged in and wait until the process is complete. Once finished, your laptop will be restored and ready to set up again. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more Lenovo laptop tutorials.